Hello, my name is Katie St. Norris with St. Norris Wealth Management, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fill out Form W-4 2020 for people who are single with one job and no dependents. Let's get going. At the beginning, I would like to mention that only steps 1 and 5 are required for people who are single with one job and no dependents. Let's go on the IRS website and see what the new form actually looks like. The form itself consists of 5 different boxes, and for single person with no dependents, you have to fill out only steps 1 and 5, which step 1 is personal information and step number 5 is you have to sign the form itself, and of course put the date. Page number 2 is general instructions. Page number 3 is multiple jobs worksheet, but in our example, it's single person with only one job. And also page number 4 is also for people with multiple jobs. It's not applicable in your situation. Okay, let's get back to the step 1, which is you have to enter your personal information. So it's your first name, middle initial, last name, your social security number. Your address is in the yellow box, and the important item here is C. We're doing single, the very first box. Please check that your social security number and name matches on your social security card. Step number 2, as I said earlier, it's not applicable in our situation. So as step 3, it is possible that you might have to fill out step 4 if you have additional income that is not from your job. What could this additional income be? It could be interest, dividends, and your retirement income. Say you received $3,000 in interest. So you put the dollar amount in that box 4A. For your deductions, item B over here. If you're claiming a standard deduction of $12,400, you don't have to worry about. But say you itemized last year, I recommend you'll go to prior year tax return and check your amounts. Also, if you go back to the IRS form, in the instructions you'll have deductions worksheet that you will go through, and it will help you to figure out amounts for this line over here. But the rule of thumb is if you don't own a house and you're renting, you don't have any huge medical bills, the odds are you're going to use the standard deduction. And for item C, it's for any extra withholdings. Also, it should be a dollar amount that you would like to withhold if you're worried about not withholding enough. Let's get to the step number 5. And step number 5 is the final step, and as I said earlier, you just have to put your signature in here and date it, and the box underneath, it's your employer's responsibility to fill out. You don't have to do that. And little note that I have for you over here. So what happens if you just fill out steps number 1 and 5? Your withholding will be computed based on your filing status, standard deduction, and tax rate with no other adjustments. Thank you for watching this video.